nice and steady.
I'm really excited that we're gonna get to use every inch of space in that bathroom. It was already huge, but it wasn't being used to the best of its ability because of that weird third vanity.
The tub hanging off the wall.
Yeah, so this whole reconfiguration of how the bathroom's gonna be used, it's gonna make the room so beautiful and usable.
Vanities are going in, shower's done, floor's done.
We're almost done.
Almost there.
We'll get out of your way, Alan.
All right.
Let you work. Headboard turned out nice.
Very nice.
Let's hook the rails to the headboard.
Okay.
Toy and Cory's master bedroom. We went with, a nice gray on the walls. We've got the new carpet in, it's gray. I wanted to give them a really nice big bed. And also what that'll do is it'll bring in some warmth and some color. How about that?
Man, I could go to sleep right here.
Turned out good, huh?
Yeah.
Then for the footboard, it's gonna be a bench with drawers underneath. So now, the fun part. All we gotta do is dry fit it all together and make sure all of my mortise and tenons fit. This is just gonna be a dry fit. So if it doesn't fit, we can,
Oh, it's gonna fit.
take a sledgehammer to it. And...
It's gonna fit because you did it.
What's that?
It's gonna fit because you did it.
Gosh, little brothers are best. So bottom front rail, top front rail, there's about 1 million mortise and tenon joints. And so it's gonna be like putting together a jigsaw puzzle in the end. Tap it here, son.
You've got that dad strength now.
That's what it is, yeah. I'm gonna have to doctor on that a little bit. Let's lay it over and see what it looks like. Let's see. Let's set your bench top on there. See? How was your day?
It was good. Well, my day's getting started.
Oh,
Your day starts and ends on this bench.
dang. That's pretty strong.
It is.
It's pretty good.
Toy and Cory's house is feeling a little bit like a vacation home to me. I feel really at peace in this house.
The biggest mirror in the history of mirrors. Nobody likes a TV hanging over the fireplace. And so for Toy and Cory, we built this framed one-way mirror, about $1,000. Dang, that's cool.
That is very cool.
Did you want this over here? No, I'll leave this on the island. Actually made that.
You made this?
I made that.
You remember?
Where's
mine?
Well, do you remember the summer of pottery in college?
Oh, I remember. I didn't get any bowls.
I gave you a mug. Do you still have your mug? That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Well, if it shows up at a garage sale in a couple of years, I'm gonna buy it. No, she's going to love this.
It's like when you're a little kid and tomorrow's your birthday, and you know there's gonna be a party, you know there's gonna be cake and ice cream. It's gonna be cake and ice cream happiness when I get to see them see this house.
All right, welcome to the Watts house.
Oh, that's so cute! Oh my God! Oh, it is precious! Oh my gosh! Oh, I love the landscaping.
I can see the house.
We can see the house, the front windows.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
That green is cool.
Oh my God,
You
it
like
is
that
so cute. It has that like New Orleans
It's
kind
like
of flair.
it's softer.
Oh,
Softer.
It is.
Yeah.
It is softer. It's cleaner.
It turned out really nice.
It did.
That's an understatement. It is fabulous.
The thing about this house was the brick was in incredible shape. The roof is in incredible shape. And so it just needed a little something to punch it up a little bit. Painting the trim, painting out the wrought iron, redoing the landscaping, and it really changed the front of this house.
It
And
really did.
I love it.
So you're gonna get into gardening?
No.
Okay, I just.
This is all really manageable, really
My
low maintenance.
my lane right there.
Yeah. The outside got a nice refresher, but the
Yes.
inside got like a complete and total
can't
new
wait.
personality.
Okay, let's see.
You ready to go in?
I'm ready.
Let's go see it.
Come here, baby.
Let's go see the inside. Y'all come on in.
How you doing?
gosh! It looks so perfect! Not so dark.
Not so. We did this all the time.
It looks so good.
Check out the TV. That's TV?
That's a mirror. Y'all want to see what the house looked like before?
How cool is that TV?
I love it.
We wanted it to be something when you came in the front doors, you're not looking at this huge TV.
My man. I love the mirror TV. I got on to the TV, and I was like, I was in there, and he's like, was zooming. I was like, oh, yeah.
Remember the carpet? No more
I
carpet.
love this floor.
Yeah, we wanted something that was gonna lighten it up in here.
It's kind of an amazing living room, but there's so much more to see. You ready to move on?
I'm trying to be ready.
All right,
This is fabulous.
going upstairs. What do you think?
Clean and big and bright. I love the light fixture with the ropes.
The coolest
Clean
part,
and big.
you haven't
Come
even
around. Hang on.
come this way.
I love it. Oh, that's not at all what I was imagining. It is beautiful.
Well, everything in your house was inspired by this nook right here. Light, bright, clean, with little bits of color that feel a little bit Spanish inspired, like the architecture of the house.
I love it.
I've always loved when you do uppers one color, lowers a different. So we've got your lowers in a really nice natural wood, and then the uppers in a creamy white.
This is the island top that was already in here. So I took it to my shop, cleaned it down, and built a new base for it. So it's,
Put your Ben spin on it. Like it just keeps getting better. I just can't get over it. It's like every time I think it's the best thing, we got something else.
Yeah, this is maybe the best thing coming up.
maybe, yeah, I don't know.
A retreat.
Yep, it's your retreat.
I
Ready?
can't wait.
We'll follow you.
After a long day at work,
Oh, it's so cute! And it matches everything. Oh my goodness! Is this my fly headboard?
You like
I love it. And a bench. Oh my goodness!
it's got lots of storage too
Oh,
So this bed,
oh my goodness! This carpet. That is so cute. I love everything.
Everything.
Everything. Very soothing, very classic.
the only problem about this room,
was the bathroom.
That was
You
a
saved the
problem.
best for last.
come on.
It's time. Come on.
Ooh.
Check it out.
Oh my God! Look at this floor. Oh my! Look at that.